The brief emerged from an ambition to create a product that had the form of upholstery and comfort, but it had a minimum amount of materials, and it had a real belief in how we could reduce the materials that we used, but equally providing a product that was as comfortable as a standard upholstered product.
So we've been collaborating with Morgan now for probably over a year. We are based in different parts of the country, so there was lots of little visits, Teams calls, drawings, frames being delivered. But you know, it's the conversations, it's deciding, you know, can we do this? Maybe we can't. Okay, well, let's challenge us, which Morgan did. They challenged us quite a few times to come up with things that are totally different. And that's the beauty of this process, that as we kind of go through the iterations, we end up developing something as beautiful as this chair.
The thing about the Chimera aesthetic and the knit specifically is we wanted it to not look too high tech. We didn't want it to look that it was, you know, specifically for a workplace product. We wanted to pair it back to a true knit and something that you'd think about almost from an apparel point of view, from a jumper, from that softness and that texture. So really almost taking a hospitality view of the texture, we felt that we wanted to bring it back to Morgan and bring it back to our brand and tailor it to our timber frame. So the aesthetic of the chair is all about tension, and it's about the difference of densities with that tension combined. So it's really important that the volume of the chair is seen as a profile. You see that shape, you see that form, but then when you start looking more closely and you really look at the chair, you realise that actually there are hollow elements where the knit is covering a surface, but actually there's nothing inside that surface. But it's still giving you the same comfort that you would get from a lounge chair and that you would expect from a lounge chair. So I think that's it's a beautiful element and it's a beautiful detail that Aran has. And I think we've captured that really well.
The knit is actually made from post-consumer recycled plastic bottles. The knit itself, our process, we don't have any waste, so everything is knitted to fit.
So the yarn that goes in is the yarn that comes out, and as soon as it comes out of the actual knitting machine, it's ready to go. It's ready to go on the frame. The thing that's unique about the Aran collection is the fact that it takes that volume without mass and it makes a product that you wouldn't expect. And I think people will be pleasantly surprised by the comfort, the aesthetic, the ergonomics, and also all of the sustainability credentials that it has. We're really proud of that, and we're really proud to see where the collection takes us.